for-profit structure like my two esteemed no profit or profit, but you're dedicated to study cannabis. We can do other things, and that's why my colleagues, my friends, ask me why you're doing it. Let me say just a few words why I am doing this, because it's good to see the challenges, but it's also important to understand that these challenges are worth overcoming, because what we have here, I think, is a phenomenal opportunity. I would say a historical opportunity if it wasn't an abused term, but it is in a sense historical because not so many times in the life of a person or a country there is the situation we have now where an entire host of chemicals produced by a plant have been closed to research and to perusal by scientists and to use by clinical investigators for almost 100 years. And all of a sudden, this is opening, slowly but surely, because that's the trend. This is opening, and we know questions that we need to ask. I think that is the amazingly interesting thing about this, is that we are opening a new window on the brain and the body. We discovered the endogenous cannabinoid system. We have the opportunity of creating a new classes of analgesics that could be, if not replacing, certainly complementing the opiates which are causing an epidemic that is destroying our country. We could be opening a window on new cures for new diseases new cures for old diseases like autism, like forms of epilepsy. And all these things, this plan, components, science have been actually closed to research since 1937, since the enactment of the Marijuana Tax Act under the FDR administration. So this is why I think we as scientists are so excited about this. I know Tom is, I know I am, the other panelists I also believe are just like I am. And that's why I think we can put up with this BS, because it's really, if you think about it, it's really BS. It is BS, and I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why. Because if, as a scientist, I want to do research on cannabis, I have to go through all these hoops. But in a federally funded institution, a public institution, or a private institution that receives funds from the federal government, this is what I have to do. Everybody else doesn't. I mean, you have issues cultivating, I understand that. You have issues passing the state borders, I understand that. But if I was in a private lab in Irvine, California, instead of being at the University of California, Irvine, and I wanted to do any type of research on cannabis, I could. If I had no funding, I could. Now, why is that a problem? It's a problem to me because I believe that the fact that the vast majority of scientists in this country who are funded by the federal government, by the NIH, the NSF, etc., cannot take a look at this plan, it means that somebody else will. And those who will be looking are not necessarily the people that we want to be looking at this problem, because they come to the question with an agenda, and we shouldn't have that agenda. We should have no agenda. Our only agenda should be get the data, understand what's happening. Well, I could probably go on for another hour, so I better stop.
So after we had this research task force in Oregon, and we were trying to ask the question, how can researchers, medical researchers who generally exist inside federally funded universities, how can they do studies that with human subjects that actually use the cannabis that is available to people instead of isolated cannabinoids, which we know act differently, or the terrible, terrible weed that is grown at University of Mississippi. And there really is no concrete way. So many researchers are getting really creative. You know, they're doing observational studies. They're pushing limits of how much they can suggest that their subjects of additional studies, what kind of products they and there's a group in Colorado that is getting people high in a van outside the university. They bring them in the brain scanner. They have to do it on the street. Some people are getting very creative. But in general, there's no way to get people. And so what we realized is that we could get all that. If we wanted to do plant work, we could get it done more effectively in a company where we just don't face all those restraints. And also because, we're not working directly with human subjects, we face an incredible array of some of the reasonable restraints that the federal government puts on how you do human subjects research.